Today, we'll learn how to sign in for an ITVX account, ensuring you can access all your favorite shows seamlessly. We'll guide you through the process of creating an account, verifying your details, and troubleshooting common issues that might arise. Remember, having an ITVX account opens up a world of entertainment at your fingertips. Let's ensure you're all set to enjoy it. The process of signing in to your ITVX account is straightforward, but there are a few key points to understand. First, ensure you have a device with internet access. This could be a smartphone, tablet, laptop, or smart TV. Next, open your web browser and go to the ITVX website. You will find the option to sign in at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on it to proceed. If you are a new user, you will need to register for a new account. Click on their Register option, which is usually right next to the Sign In button. To register, you will be asked to provide some basic information. This includes your full name, email address, and a password of your choice. Make sure your password is strong and secure to protect your account. After entering your details, you will need to agree to the terms and conditions of ITVX. It is important to read these carefully to understand your rights and obligations as a user. Once you have agreed to the terms, click on the Create Accounts button. You will then receive a verification email at the email address you provided. Open your email inbox and look for the verification email from ITVX. Click on the link provided in the email to verify your account. This step is crucial for activating your account. After clicking the verification link, your account will be activated. You can now return to the ITVX website and click on the Sign In button again. This time, enter the email address and password you registered with. Make sure you enter these details correctly to avoid any issues with logging in. Once you have entered your credentials, click on the Login button to access your account. You should now be able to view and enjoy the content available on ITVX. If you encounter any issues during the sign-in process, such as forgetting your password, there is a Forgot Password link available on the sign-in page. Click on this link to reset your password. You will be asked to enter your registered email address to receive a password reset link. Follow the instructions in the email to reset your password and regain access to your account. It is also a good idea to keep your account information up to date. You can update your email address, password, and other details by accessing the Account Settings section once you are logged in. One advantage of having an ITVX account is the ability to access a diverse library of TV shows and films. From popular British dramas to exclusive premieres, ITVX serves as a one-stop shop for premium entertainment content. ITVX also offers the option of watching live TV channels. This means not only do you get on-demand content, but you can also tune in to live broadcasts, just like traditional TV. For those who prefer watching without interruptions, ITVX provides a premium subscription service. This service allows users to enjoy content without any adverts, enhancing the viewing experience. The platform is user-friendly, featuring an intuitive interface that makes it easy for users of all ages to navigate. Finding and streaming your favorite shows is straightforward and quick. ITVX is continually updated with the latest episodes of series, often immediately after they air. This ensures fans can catch up with their favorite shows without the wait typically associated with international broadcasting. One disadvantage, however, is that some content on ITVX is geographically restricted. Users outside the UK may need to use VPN services to access the full range of content, which can be a hassle. Another downside is the reliance on a stable internet connection. To stream ITVX content smoothly, a high-speed internet connection is necessary, which might not be available in all areas. While ITVX offers a free service, The premium, ad-free experience comes at a cost. This subscription fee may not be preferable for users who are accustomed to free streaming services. Here is a case study related to how to sign in for an ITVX account. Sarah, a viewer from Manchester, encountered persistent login issues that prevented her from accessing her ITVX account. Initially, she thought her account had been compromised, but after contacting ITVX support, she realized she was entering an outdated email address that was no longer registered. The support team advised Sarah to try recovering her account using her phone number, which was linked to her account. Following their instructions, she was able to reset her account details and create a new, secure password. If you ever find yourself unable to sign in to your ITVX account, the first step is to check that you are using the correct email address and password. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so be sure to check if your caps lock is on by mistake. If you still can't access your account, use the Forgot Password link on the sign in page to reset your password immediately. Always ensure your account information, especially your email address and phone number, is up to date. This will make recovering your account much easier if you ever forget your login details or need to reset your password. If you found this video useful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. It really helps us out and is greatly appreciated. Thank you for watching and enjoy your viewing on ITVX.